artichoke cream with some sweet potatoes fried in garlic. And then we've got a garnish of mint, walnuts, and croutons.
Delicious.
Is it good?
So good. The flavors complement each other really well. And the texture, crunch.
My God, how good it is.
Damn.
Okay, we're doing a very simple dish, but very delicious dish today. These are all the ingredients that we will use. We've got a sort of artichoke cream here. We've got some Greek yogurt, some mint, walnuts, garlic, and sweet potatoes. Very simple. The idea is to have a sort of cream made out of these two, then fry up the sweet potatoes in slices with the garlic and butter, and then serve it the cream with the fried sweet potato, and then drizzle on top a mix of walnuts, mint, a bit of oil, and a bit of croutons on top. It will be very light, delicious, summery, but also very good. So let's get started with the most annoying part, which is peeling the potatoes. There's nothing I hate more than peeling potatoes, but especially with sweet potatoes, it really has to be done. Okay, now we need to fry these in a ton of garlic, so I'm gonna use the blitzy to make the oil instead of chopping up all this garlic, since we need quite a bit of it. A small smash. I'll just have to throw in a bit of oil. Will be the base that we will fry in. And a bit of butter. Perfection. Now let's get a pan. Fire. Garlics. Spread it all over. Super garlicky, super buttery. It's cooking. Let's just start laying these guys in. Salt. Sweet potatoes, so I made sure to put quite a bit of salt. Now let's start working on the cream. So a bit of Greek yogurt, bit of artichoke cream. Well, not a bit, the whole thing. Mix. Taste. Oh my God. These are cooking nicely. Let's give them a flip. Beautiful. Now, if I let them to cook just like that, it will, of course, the garlic would crisp up too much and would burn. So what we're gonna do is deglaze a bit and let them cook a bit in water. I used the thing, some leftover garlic bits anyway in there. Put that there. That will deglaze and continue cooking. While that is bubbling away. Beautiful. Let's start working on the garnish. We've got a bowl, bit of olive oil, bit of mint. That will do. Lightly chop these guys. pepper there, pinch of salt, walnuts, crush them a bit. Okay, those gone there. Next step, slice of bread. I'm gonna make some croutons. Roughly chop these up into like cubes. And the croutons are nice and crunchy. I'm gonna be mixed in with the garnish. Okay, air fryer. So this is going to be a sort of minty, crispy, nutty garnish that will go on top. So the plan is, we've got, this is a base, this will go on top when it's nice and reduced, and that will go over it, and I think we have a delicious vegetarian dish. The water here is almost completely evaporated. Very nice. We have to wait a few more minutes for that to completely evaporate. We've got the croutons crunching, which will mix with the garnish. Okay, let's start plating. So croutons go in with the garnish. Now, how are we going to do this? Maybe it's maybe like half cream and half potatoes. Oi, 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 oi. So sticky. That's probably all the sugar and the sweet potatoes. Now, let's go on with the cream. Maybe like that to look fancy. Fancy. Garnish. Beautiful. And I think that's our dish. I won't taste it now. I'm gonna taste it with the others at the table. The camera is on my sister's head and she's going to try the dish. Go for it.
Good. Okay. Good bites of everything. Oh my god. Delicious.
Is it good?
So good.
Yeah.
Davvero. The flavors complement each other really well. And the texture, crunch.
Okay, you're done.
Oh my god, how good it is.
Damn.